What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video from the mobile YouTube app itself. So in order to do this, you're just going to launch the app, and then you're going to hit the plus icon all the way at the bottom of the screen. It's the middle one of the 5, and then from here you can upload a video. You're going to have to allow access to the camera roll so they can see your camera roll and have the videos. But you're just going to select the video you want to upload. You could preview it to see that and make sure that you have the video that you want, and then hit next in the upper right hand corner. From here, you just have your average video uploading screen. You could change the title, the description, whether it's private or public, your location, and a bunch of other stuff if you'd like. I'm just creating the title right now, and I also have the description copied and pasted in my notes, so every time I upload a video, I can just copy and paste the description. I highly recommend you do that if you upload a lot of videos like I do. Now, you might notice that there aren't a lot of options as far as for the video search engine optimization, such as the tags or any other details. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but you're just going to hit next, select whether it's made for kids or not. You could see what qualifies for that if you'd like. And then you could just hit the upload in the upper right hand corner, and then it's going to upload for you. As I was just talking about though, you can edit the tags and other details in YouTube. You're just going to need the YouTube Studio app. It's on both the App Store and Android. It is really helpful for a creator if you don't already have that. But you could just go to this app and then go to the videos that you want, and then you could add it to a playlist if you want, or add the tags. The Creator Studio, although you can't necessarily upload videos through this, typically I just upload my videos and then I could edit my videos onto this app and add whatever I'd like. If you have any questions or are confused by this tutorial, be sure to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.